Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Ryobi 1 Plus Grass Trimmer. Ryobi is known for its distinctive color scheme and unique battery system, making it easy to interchange batteries between their tools. Let's see if this grass trimmer is the right choice for your gardening needs. Assembly of the Ryobi 1 Plus Grass Trimmer is a breeze, with the battery easily clipping into the handle, and the tubular metal shaft clicking together effortlessly. The cutting head shield attaches with just one screw, and the cutting line spool comes pre-installed, so you can get up and running quickly. Controls on this trimmer are minimal, with a trigger and top button activating the cutting motor, and a side button to rotate the unit for easy lawn edging. However, one drawback is that the top handle is not adjustable, limiting the ability to change the height. The 4Ah battery included in the package takes an hour to charge and offers around 20 minutes of uninterrupted trimming, which is suitable for edging a whole lawn and light weed trimming. If you already have other Ryobi 1 Plus products, their batteries can be used to extend runtime. The cutting line, at 1.6 mm, emerges from one side of the hub, making it easier to replace the spool but reducing cutting power. While it works well for grass and light weeds, it struggles with tougher stems like thick stinging nettles, resulting in a flailing action rather than a clean cut. Overall, the Ryobi 1 Plus Grass Trimmer is a lightweight and easy-to-use tool, perfect for lawn edging and basic tidying. If you're already invested in the Ryobi 1 Plus system, this trimmer is a great addition. However, if you need something more powerful for tougher tasks, you may want to explore other options in our list of the best cordless trimmers. That's it for our review of the Ryobi 1 Plus Grass Trimmer on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gardening and DIY tool reviews. See you next time.